put 3 of these in here for me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get another one. There we go. Now, let's do half teaspoon of yeast.
What's
Yeast is that smelly stuff. Here.
that means gross?
It's not gross, it's just smelly. Okay. Now,
That's hurt people.
doesn't hurt people.
Oh,
Can you hold that?
just slowly.
Okay.
That's slowly.
This is salt. 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. So you want to help me stir?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it together. In your hands. Like that. Oh, don't make a mess. We need 1 3/4 cups of water. It's gonna get sticky. You want your hands sticky? No? Gotta mix it
With your hand?
with our hands. Why is it sticky?
Yeah.
Because we're mixing all the flour in the water. Now let's cover it where it can sit overnight.
Why it can sit overnight?
That way it rests and rises. You gotta put it somewhere warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, like over here. Okay. And now we're done till tomorrow. Can you do it?
Yeah.
See the numbers? See the line right there? Make it line up with that 400 right there. You do that? Oh, too far. Right there. Okay, now turn on the switch. Oh, and then that one too. Good job. Okay, let's open up the door.
Yeah.
All right.
Now?
You can do it now. Okay. Okay. Sprinkle a little flour on the board. Yeah. Make sure you get the whole thing. Now, let's dump this out. Ooh, yeah. I bet she wants to play with this.
What do we do now?
Now, you put a little bit of flour on top. Just a little bit. Good job.
Don't let her eat the flour.
Then fold it over that way. Fold it over that way. Fold it over
Just like that.
this way. Fold it over this way. Put a little bit more flour on top. And then roll it over. Just like that. A little bit of flour because it's sticky. Okay. And now we're going to cover it and let it sit for a little bit.
Oh, okay. That's no one.
Yep.